congratulations, Miss Pops. Kasi yung bago yung song na Get It Poppin', talagang lumabas ang feed ko sa TikTok ha. Ilan yung mga Gen Z content creator na talagang ginagamit yung song mo para sa content nila.
Thank you so much.
Ano pakiramdam na yung mga Gen Z feel at na-appreciate nila yung song mo?
Actually, hindi ko ina-expect. I really just wanted to do a danceable song. Yan lang ang expectation ko sa Star Music. I said, let's do a slow song and then a fast song for the concert. So, it is such a welcome surprise. At syempre, sobrang kaming happy na talaga namang napakadaming positive, great traction for Get It Poppin'. I think ngayon pa nga lang siya nagpipick up and everywhere. Nakakataba ng puso to ha. Minsan hindi ko na-expect, kumakain ako. Meron sila, uy, Get It Poppin'. Nakaka-touch, diba? So parang alam ko may recall yung kanta, madami nagsasabi na it's very catchy. So, nakahappy ako. Hindi ko ina-expect na magustuhan siya ng mga Gen Z. Again, ang ina-expect ko lang is a song that I can sing and hopefully it becomes a hit for the concert.